anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary.
Good morning, everyone. I am Waji. I am the owner operator of this Sunset Grill location. I welcome you all and thank you for joining us today to celebrate our 4th anniversary. Over the past 4 years, we have faced many challenges like COVID-19, capacity restrictions, takeouts only, and but we have also celebrated many achievements as well. Firstly, I would like to say thank you to the wonderful community here, and without your support, it would not have been possible. Your support over the past 4 years has been the foundation of our success. Today, not only is Sunset Grill celebrating its 4 years, most of the staff members you see here, they have been with us since the very beginning. I still remember their interviews and the first day we opened these doors together back in July 2020. All this would not have been possible without your incredible support, your hard work and teamwork, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything you do for this restaurant.
Let's celebrate our special day, wishing you the very best. Happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary.